bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from filterheads.com.
Install your new AQ1048C filter into the frame, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.